Peace. It's your boy Toon. And right now I am at the trap farm. So I moved from the city like 2-3 months ago. Moved away from the city and moved to a rural city, like well not rural, like a rural area, like a farm-like area. So as you can see, right now I'm actually in front of the chicken coop. Let's see if I can get the screen to turn around. Alright. So today we're going in the chicken coop. We're going in the chicken coop. Lay down some mulch. You can see them right here. There's some of my babies. That's what people call baby chicken. Biddies. Looking at their little biddies. And here are the big ones. Alright, so I'm gonna set the phone up somewhere and start to lay down this mulch. Then I'll teach you guys a little bit about chickens. So I'll be back in a second. So right now we have just around 50 chickens. And we got about like 4 or 5 different breeds of chicken. Actually about maybe 5 or 6 now, different breeds of chicken. So as you can see, you got like, there's all different sizes and different colors. That's because they're different breed of chicken. And like I said, I'm gonna teach you guys a little bit about chickens in a minute. But right now, I gotta get out this heat. So I'm gonna lay down this mulch, and then I'm gonna explain why I'm laying down this mulch. Actually, I'll tell you now. So the reason why I'm laying down this mulch is because, as you can see, some of this chicken coop ground is just pure dirt. And I don't want my birds exposed to like spider mites and different little insects. They're gonna cause them to maybe get sick, lose feathers, or just irritate the birds and make them more stressed than they need to be. So I'm laying down mulch to give the ground a nice little cover between my birds and whatever is underneath the mulch. Alright guys, I'll be back.
Hey, hey, hey. I'm just tryna be it when it all goes to hell, Lord, please for heaven's sakes. Niggas are sinners and we need forgiveness, and for you to come take the devil's place. I got a hell of an imagination, so I'm tryna picture them heaven gates. I'm coming straight out of trap, but I'm gonna make them praise the world all like I'm Kevin Gates. I'm yelling, bitch, me logic, money like him, praise the Lord, that we dodging cases. Ducking ages, we inside the majors. Jigging, finessing with just the basics. When you come from the bottom, you gon' do a lot just to get yourself out of it. Little niggas came up from poverty, went on the road, they came back with a lot of it. So many stories I heard before niggas got murdered cause niggas was watching them. No one is better to live on your feet than to die on these calling copping it. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Alright guys, I am still in the chicken coop. As you can see, now we got a floor of some mulch. Not just a bunch of dirt on the floor. And the chicken look a bit happy already. So the reason I did that is because the birds were, not all of them, but a few of the birds were starting to get a little bit of feather loss. So I researched it and found there are little tiny bugs in the dirt that were messing with my birds. So had to clear that up, and hopefully the mulch will do that for them. As you can see, they're very thirsty, so I gotta go get them some more water. Now we are in the biddy section. Where all the biddies at, man? She's not a biddy, she's a fully, well not fully grown, she's like 4 or 6 months old. Get out of here. Yeah, sisters. We have all hens here, except for the 2 brown guys on the out there. They're our roosters. Not the brown, not the dark brown, but those golden brown, see those guys over there? So, teach you guys a little bit about chickens. So the small ones, not the small ones, but the bigger white ones, those are called leghorns, and they are really good for egg laying. They lay about 200 to 300 eggs a year. Yeah, things are gonna start to get a little bit hectic now. Where are you going, chicken? Come here. Got him. Got him.
So yeah, they're quick. They're really fast. So, see her feathers? Black on the tips. She is a light Brahma. That's the breed of chicken she is. And they get to be like 9.5, almost 10 pounds at fully grown. So they're a really good meat bird. Oh.
Next we got our cinnamon queens. So our cinnamon queens, come here, mama. They're really quick, so you gotta like put a little one. Nope.
Get away from me here.
Bring your ass on, man. Oh, got her.
So here we have a cinnamon queen. Our cinnamon queens, they get pretty big too. They're a dual purpose bird, so they're really good for laying eggs, and they get really big, so they're a good meat bird also. Nice feathers. As soon as she sees the ground, she's gonna jump. Gotta make a run for it. Oh no.
I was like, I don't trust it. Coming back on the ground. Yeah, she's out here.
So I'll show you guys next. Oh, okay.
This little girl right here, she's gonna be quick. It's gonna be hard to catch her. Nope.
Getting better at this. So, this gal, we just got her yesterday. Her and her sisters, we got her yesterday. This is an Easter egger. So they lay. Whoa! She just.
Grab that bottle jump straight out of my hand. I'm gonna grab one of her sisters. So Easter eggs are really like active, as you can see, and they clearing it. They're out of here. They ain't clearing me. Nah, bro, we ain't trying to get all tested with you. Come here. So I had zero experience with chickens before this. These are literally just.
Me and my girl were in the store, saw some baby chicks, and we grabbed them and just went on YouTube and started learning how to raise chickens. So you can tell she's a baby. She's not as old as the other ones because her feathers are really small. They lay green, blue, all the Easter egg colors. The bird is actually called an Easter egger. That's the breed of the chicken. This is an Easter egger. And they're really active. So as soon as I let her go, she's out of there. See? And she's actually gonna, yep. She does not care. Like, I'm out of here, homie. And here we have our Americanos. And there's another leghorn came up there with her. They like to come in here with the babies and eat their food because it's a lot less competition than over there with all the huge Cornish hens that we have. And the roosters are really aggressive. Let's see her checking out something. So this is what they do. They'll come in here, scope the place out, and then steal all the baby's food, drink all their water, and then jump across the gate and go hang out in their little spot. So you guys want to see me catch a bigger bird, almost fully grown bird?
Oh, that's my baby.
Let me catch this big one right here. Oh, she fell. She literally kicked out of my hand just now.
Girl, I promise. I'm just too young. Can you wait a little? Got way too much on my plate a little. I'ma make it work. never forgot temporary shit. In September, used to Harlem, watch some January shit. Hey, I'm thinking she'll never forget it. I'm thinking she'll never forget it.
This is an Americano.
Took a ride around the city skirt, getting high than a mini
Got these
skirt.
nice like multicolored brown and black gray feathers, gold up in the neck.
My subject is calling, it's ringing.
I don't know much about where Americanos come from, but they're similar. If you see, they look very similar to the Easter eggers, and like the color, the coat. And I think the reason why they look so similar are because they also are Easter egg laying birds. Like they lay brown eggs, they lay blue eggs, they'll lay green eggs. And she's out of here. She's like, I don't like being touched on my eggs. So I'm getting really hot. You see, I'm dripping in sweat. My beard's literally dripping. I'm gonna give the baby some more food, and then I'm giving everybody some clean water, and I'm out of here. I'm hot. If any of you guys are like me and you really have no experience outside of the city, like you've never actually like seen anything like this, and you guys want to take like a tour of the farm, I've been talking about it, but I'm gonna put a link to the Groupon so you guys can actually take a tour of the property if you want to pet a chicken, or if you want to take a chicken home with you, like a pet chicken. I'll make that happen for you guys. This is only like episode 1 of Trap Farms, Take Risk and Prosper Farms. The lights. This is episode 1, but we got a lot more in store for you guys. Still haven't mulched up the chicken area, or the bitty area. It's the baby chickens. They got a bit of mulch over here where they do a lot of the hanging out. But when I come in, they all run over to the corner. The last thing I'm gonna do for you guys, I'm gonna grab one of these huge birds right here. They trust me over here. See how big this one is? So yeah, this is a Cornish hen. Cornish hens get pretty big. They were the same size. They were actually the exact same size. I'm not gonna hurt you, mama. The exact same size as the little white ones. See her? Like that leghorn? They were the exact same size about a month ago. Excuse me, like, I wanna say like 6 weeks ago now. And now you can see there's way bigger difference. I'm gonna let her go because she's about to shit herself. She's freaking out like, bro, don't eat me, don't eat me. Please don't eat me, bro, please. I've been a good chicken this whole 6 weeks. Please don't fucking eat me. And we're not gonna eat them. Well, not yet anyways. This first group of birds, we're not gonna do anything but raise them until they can get to the egg laying stage. And then we're gonna eat their babies. So yeah, they're gonna be safe. We're just gonna make sure that these are healthy birds, that we don't have any health problems. Learn as much as we can learn about chicken growing. And then once we got it down packed, their offspring will be the birds that we'll be giving away as pets and meat chickens, selling eggs and all that good stuff. For right now, this is all just like the beta, I guess you can call it. The beta chicken farm, trap chicken farm. If you guys got like any questions or comments or any of that, just leave it in the comments. Comment box, I'll get back to you. I said I just moved from the city to the country, so literally we don't have much to do. Well, I'm lying, I got a lot to do. But besides running farm and running the other businesses that we run, the other elements of the trap conglomerate, I got a good amount of time on my hands, and I'm not in the city. What the hell was that? I'm not in the city. Loophole, I guess. But yeah, I got a lot of time on my hands. So if you guys got questions, you guys want to know something, you guys want to, I don't know, you want to order a bird, pre-order birds before we start to actually sell birds, I don't know, just hit us up. If you guys are interested in that tour, tour of a chicken coop, tour of a real, authentic farm. I'll leave the link. This was episode 1 of Trap Farms, tour of the chicken coop, and intro to chicken raising. A little recap what we went over. The different kinds of chickens. The Cornish hens are the big mamas. My roosters are actually blue Orpingtons. Those brown mamas over there, those are the Americanas. The little white ones over there, those are the Leghorns. And then biddies, you got a cinnamon queen, some light Brahmas, even a barnyard mix back there. Oh, and the Easter egger. Maybe next week or next episode. You guys tell me what you guys want to see next episode. You guys want to see the going to the farming, like planting. I know a lot of you guys live in the city. You guys want to learn how to grow food on your own. You can grow food like in your own backyard. That's growing in the ground, but that's growing in pots. You can do the same thing in your backyard. Grow enough food where you never need to go to the grocery store. I don't know if you guys can see them, but back there, those are our sheep. Whatever you guys want to see next episode, leave it in the comment box. Until next time, this is Tune at the Trap Farm. Peace.
Get your follows up before you hit her DMs, nigga. Computer thugging from the AM to the PM, nigga. Get your life together, ain't nobody picture perfect.